Folks, so we've got a Glock 19 barrel here that is pretty much new, and you can see it's got kind of some gunk there, and we just want to go ahead and polish this up real quick. So we've got some Flitz and also to our Ramrodz, so let's go ahead and give it a go. Looking a bit better there. And we don't need to necessarily take off the coating. We just need to kind of get it kind of cleaned up there, so everything feeds into the chamber all nice and smooth. All right, so let's have a look here. Yeah, big improvement on that, definitely.